Hey people, great friends, folks out there. Wanted to share with you guys eagle I just finished. Carved this one out of a chunk of dead standing old growth white pine. Gonna give you a little walk around of it. A little bit of the feet detail. This is chainsaw art, so it's not really perfect. Use a couple other sanding tools, grinders and Dremels. Give it some fine details. Gonna see if I could flip it around here quick for you guys. That lighting was a little bad on the other side. There we go. Let's twist her around a little. You guys can get a good idea how this side looks. I try to put a lot of time into these pieces. Go as far as I can for detail. There we go, one more look at this side. That's about it. You guys take care and have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Take care, folks.